Hey there, it's me, Crystal. Good morning. Say hi, Nina. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I got woke up in the rudest way possible. It's all good though. So watch this video to the end. My dogs literally woke me up trying to irritate the shit out of me so that they had a whole freaking argument at the end of my bed. Chief and Nina, they literally were talking. Huskies really do talk, no lie, they talk. But I go through this shit every morning. Every morning I wake up. I got a lot of dogs. I do. We'll talk about that later. I have a lot of dogs, but I love my dogs. And even though I talked about getting rid of some like 3 times this month, I doubt I will. I'll probably have more dogs before I die. I don't know. But I love my dogs, and I'm probably gonna keep them all. And even though they irritate me, they ain't going nowhere. I can't choose. I can't choose which dog I want to get rid of. Look at her. She's fucking cute. She's got like a stoner smile. It's so funny. But she's a shit talker. She's loud and she's annoying. But, you know, we all have someone loud and annoying in our life, right? Right, Becca? Right, Becca? Just kidding. I love you, Becca. But yeah, Nina is loud and annoying. Caesar gets on my nerves because he's always running and hopping the gate. King climbs the gates. Prince, he acts like he can't walk down the freaking stairs. Stand up top of the stairs barking. Annoying, but I still love him and I can't get rid of him. I've just learned to adapt to each dog with their unique personalities. So enjoy the video. Tell me what you think Nina was saying, because there's a couple things that I thought she was saying. I don't know if she was saying fuck you or whatever, but she's a shit talker. She thinks she's a freaking... She thinks that she's the captain, and she doesn't realize that I'm the freaking captain. I run the ship. Yeah, she's in my bed. I can't stand her. I can't keep her out the bed. Have a good day. Good morning. This is how I got woke up.
You done? You done? You yelling? You gonna put me in a bad mood. I'm about to get up. You try not yelling at me. What are you smiling for?
Tell me if you can hear what he's saying. Huskies really do talk.
Will you shut up? I'm about to get up. I'm listening to these two. Don't be part of the problem. Be part of the solution. I'm about to get up. Chief! This is straight nonsense. This is straight nonsense. Yeah. You done? You done yelling? You gonna put me in a bad mood. I ain't... What are you smiling for?
I gotta pee!
You try not yelling at me.
Please get up! Hold your horses, she'll be up in a minute.
Where you come from?
You're so irritating!
Everyone quiets down. I'll get up and take you outside, but... You guys are super annoying. It's too damn early. Wait for it. Are you okay? You gonna be alright? I'm about to open the door. What? Really? You right now? What in the world are you doing? This is when the song plays. You guys are so freaking annoying. I'm leaving King outside because he's on my nerves. Hi. Now about to watch that. Hey, Big Mouth. Richard. Richard.